got home and got this in the mail. I have to go duplicate a Honda key in a couple minutes, so I'm just going to try to rush through this. I'm going to take my ACOM2 out of AR32. I'm just going to move all this because this is not done. It's a little homework I'm doing for a gent in Alaska. Now this is a BCM for, should be a Malibu or something like that, or Cruise. Oh, here we go. Terrain, interesting. Thought I got a different one. I think it's easiest to start at the back, if I recall. Okay. This should be our target device. 24C16. Try to be quick. Open up my AR32 Tough Book. It appears it's not plugged in. Or it is. Exit because this is an old one. Try to restart it. Hopefully it lights green at the bottom. It does. It's connected. Okay. Gonna just set this right here, and I'm gonna do 24C16, I believe is what it was. Dip settings, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, then up, down, down, down. Okay, good. Oops, covered the camera, my bad. 5. I'm going to keep it low voltage just to be safe. And it says in the right position. I don't see my SOIC8 clip for AR32. Here you are, you bastard. Hiding in plain sight. Okay, I'm going to plug this in real quick. It says position on the right side, which I will do, and I will grab a toothbrush and some alcohol. Must hurry. And I'm gonna scrub it. If you have the pogo adapter, it'll typically bite right through the conformal coating, if any is on it, and allow you a good connection. Alcohol has a high flash point, so it evaporates rather easily. And I'm going to find pin 1, which will be right here. Feels pretty good. Only hit the power button on my phone. I'm gonna go to 5, then hit G, see if it reads it in. No. No, not good enough. Make sure everything's good. Certainly looks like all the legs are being touched. That doesn't look right. There it is. I just flipped the voltage up to 4.2 and it read it. We're going to hit 8 to confirm it. Okay. And that should be our pin code, I believe. 6838. I'm going to hit escape, save buffer to disk file A, and it's going to be terrain v1.bin. Okay. Yeah, we're going to save it. Stand by while I plug up VVDI2 to see if it recognizes it as a valid key file. Ouch. Damn machine, I hit my elbow on it. This bastard. Shh, 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 shh. I love you. Okay, so. Da 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 da. Hurry up and load this. Time is slipping. Watch it. Needs synchronization. We're gonna listen for the beep. Hopefully we hear it. Yeah. Go down to immobilizer, data tool. We're gonna plug it in. USA. 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 Chevrolet. We can do cruise probably. But let's see if they don't have it. So we'll do Impala. And we'll do cruise. There it is. We'll load EEPROM dump. And it was what? Oh hell, it's not in the proper computer. Fuck, where is it? Here it is. I don't know why it wasn't pulling it up. Okay, so it had 2 keys programmed to it, and it's calling for that transponder. I don't have any unlocked around me, I don't think. don't think this guy's been unlocked. That was unlocked. Nice. You can start engine now. Okay. We're going to go down, and then we're just going to make it V2 and save it. I'm going to load that one now. And enter. And you'll see that key number 3 is in the system now. I'm shaking. I haven't eaten lunch. It's about time for me to go. But there it is. So we have programmed a key. I have to sync this up in 5 days. We have programmed a key to it now. All in under 10 minutes, if I'm counting right. I'm going to pull back up this guy. And I'm going to program from disk file. I'm going to hit 1 and enter file name TERV2 bin right down there and see if it works. Press F2 or Alt to view files. Enter. And I'm going to hit P to program it. Uh-oh. Let's try again. Oh, we're getting errors. Hit escape. No. Let's see. D. See what file this is. Okay, so this is the other one. So we're gonna escape, program from buffer. Shit. Still getting errors. That's really weird. Oops. Okay. No. 5, 3, yes. All right. 8, yes. Escape, escape. 1. Terrain V2. Bin P. There it is. Now it's done. Nope, don't want to program another. I don't know why I'm getting trouble with this every once in a while, but that's why we have so many skill sets at our disposal. Next, to clean up the board, resolder it. I am back. Just made a key for a Honda Accord 2004, and what do you know? The young lady, oh, I don't need this laptop open, I've already written to the device. The young lady whose car it was, her ignition had gone out, and they didn't call locksmith. They went to the dealer, so now her car has 2 keys. Door key and ignition key, because the Honda dealership is lazy. And they'll just replace it. I'm going to set this right here, I guess. But anyway, I cut a transponder key for the ignition, and also just a mechanical key for the door. And then I told them I could fix it if they wanted me to. I just lost something. It wasn't anything to do with this, though. Get in there. Okay. Got this in here now. Unfortunately, this camera on this phone gets washed out by the magnifier's light, but you know, it is what it is. I'm doing the best I can, so just bear with me. I know it's not the best angles and such, but you know, I'm trying. Go ahead and loop it, get it ready. And I'm gonna flux this shiza up. I pulled it from right here. One of the pads looks a little concerning. It looks like it cooled when I pulled. Can't wait to check it out. Once I clean up this board. See, you can see that that pad. Oh, it's so concerning. I'm not at the level I want to be, and I was obviously rushed when I was removing it, which is never good when doing this work. But we'll see what I've done. It looks good. Just looks like solder had abridged up as I was lifting the leg, or up the device. Shit. Okay. Alright, so I re-cleaned the trace pads and I cleaned up the legs of the whatchamacallsies. Huh? I just EEPROM them. It's easy. You just pop it out, cut a hole in the back, and pull the pin. Maybe. Oh, big man. Yeah, I forget. You got to drive like far to get to jobs. Fucking hell. Yeah. Yeah, if you get it, you could get a D-Max. People sell them for pretty cheap nowadays because they're getting old. But they do all type 2, a lot of CAN systems, and they also do EEPROMing. They do the EEPROM of screen modules and stuff like that. Where the fuck did? Yep. You called me about the McDonald Dash show. Yeah, I recommend Kinfu 100%. I made a YouTube video on it actually. HL Flake had the best trade show, in my opinion. Better than Just Cars.